a few
zomthetho ephathelene nokhulu nekomiti ephenyako ngakwelinye ihlangothi umvikeli womphakathi ojanisiwe ku-advocate Phusisiwe Mkhwebane usekela yikhotho ezomthetho sisekelo ethi unelungelo lokuba namagcwetha. Ngakwelinye ihlangothi ikomiti le ihlela ukuphetha iphenyo layo nakuphela inyanga kaSihlabanangana. Kuthi kusenjalo uMkhwebane ubuyela kude ekhotho ephakeme kuJingalanga kaKapa ngomvulo ngesibawo sakhe sokuthi kususwe usihlalo wekomiti uQubudile Tyantshi kunye nelunga le-DA yeParliament uKevin Milemanon ngenzolo zokuthi ababili laba banokuthatha ihlangothi. I-ofisi lomvikeli womphakathi lithi liphelelwa imali yokubhadela amagcwetha kaMkhwebane.
Chair, the letter is on the discontinuation of legal services to Advocate Mkhwebane that are being provided by the PPSA in relation to the work of the committee.
Ikomiti le ithuliswe ukwethula kobufakazi bakhe ngomhla ka-27 kuNdaka. Kodwa ikomiti ithatha isiqundo sokubana vele iveke ezayo ngelesibili njengoba nabe kuhleliwe. uMkhwebane kulendeke bona avele ngaphambi kwekomiti le inyanga beyiphele.
They can only fund this inquiry up until the 31st of March. 31st of March is supposed to be our last day. Witnesses. Was April is supposed to be a report writing process. That anything beyond the 1st of March, that office says it doesn't have the funds to continue.
If we are to extend our program beyond that in these engagements, except for the writing of the report, the PPSA will not have funding.
The protector to speak to this. And as such, I would say, Chair, that we provide the public protector with the leeway in terms of the statement, then to us before her testimony, possibly on the 14th, but for the date of the appearance of the public protector in this house to not be postponed.
Umvikeli womphakathi ojanisiwe kufuna umholi wehlangano iBuild One South Africa uMusi Maimane bona alethe ubufakazi ngembiko yamaphenyo emibili we-CR17 kunye ne-Fred Farm.
To this, I think we need to say, okay, we've given you an opportunity. We've called the witnesses that you asked us to subpoena. We've done everything that you asked us to do. And we now, or the ones that we think are relevant of the witnesses that you asked us to subpoena. And we now have to draw a line in the sand because we have to conclude this inquiry.
Kama samagcwetha kaMkhwebane sisazokuphendula ngesiqundo se-ofisi lomvikeli womphakathi songasabhadeli indleko zamagcwetha akhe. Encwadini kaMkhwebane ihlolo lekomiti uveze bona umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wamthembisa ukuthi usasenelungelo lokuzuza kikho konke kuphathelene nomvikeli womphakathi nanyana ajanisiwe konje.